They're not dipping a toe in, they're charging straight into the most demanding off-road niche. For a while now, it seemed like all these rugged, adventure-focused brands were getting a little hesitant about going all in on electric.
Yeah, almost signaling a pullback. And then Jeep just drops this total counterpunch, the 2026 Jeep Recon.
It's the ultimate strategic surprise. And they didn't just make an EV. They went and made the first and only fully electric vehicle that is genuinely trail-rated.
And that designation is a huge deal.
It's everything. It means all of Jeep's hardcore criteria: traction, water fording, ground clearance. They're not dipping a toe in. They're charging straight into the most demanding off-road niche.
And the performance numbers, they just underscore that. I mean, we're talking about a machine with 650 horsepower.
And 620 pound-feet of instant torque.
That's the key part. A 0 to 60 time of 3.6 seconds. That's blurring the line between a rock crawler and a performance sedan. It's wild.
It's a total game changer.
Yeah.
And it's only possible because the Recon is built on a purpose-designed electric architecture. It's not a conversion.
So it's using those specialized electric drive modules for standard 4x4.
Exactly. And the CEO of Jeep was really clear on this. He said, electrification isn't a compromise on off-road excellence. It actively elevates it.
Well, because of that instant torque, right? That's got to be the secret weapon for climbing and navigating tricky obstacles.
That precision control. Instant, continuous power.
Okay, but I have to ask about the elephant in the room. A massive 100 kilowatt hour battery pack. That's a lot of weight. Doesn't that sort of fight against you when you're trying to be nimble on a steep trail?
It absolutely introduces new engineering challenges. That's why that precision powertrain is so critical. To manage the weight, they've integrated the Jeep-exclusive Select Terrain system.
The one with the 5 drive modes.
Right. And for the really technical stuff, the Moab trim gets a specialized rock mode.
So beyond the software, what about the hardware? What's keeping that battery from getting smashed on the trail?
Robust protection. The whole pack is shielded by a full suite of high-strength steel underbody plates.
Okay, that's serious.
And the other details are impressive, too. You get an electronic locking differential for maximum traction, and that Moab trim has 9.4 inches of ground clearance on standard 33-inch tires.
So it's got the capability, but let's shift to the Jeep lifestyle, the open-air freedom part.
That DNA is completely intact, and this is a big one. The Recon is the only fully electric SUV designed with removable doors.
And the glass, too, right?
Yep, the swing gate glass, the rear quarter glass, all of it.
Yeah.
You don't need tools, which is a huge win for enthusiasts.
And the interior, it sounds like it's built for utility, not for, coddling you.
It's built for messy adventures. You've got scuff-resistant surfaces, recycled synthetic materials, but also just smart, fun stuff.
Like what?
My favorite detail is this modular accessory rail that runs across the top of the instrument panel.
So you can mount things, a camera, a GPS unit.
Exactly. Or, and they actually mention this, a rubber duck holder. It's built for that kind of Jeep personality.
I love that. Okay, speaking of tech, it's got a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen. So when you put it all together, what does this mean for you, the listener? The Recon proves that EV development isn't just about urban efficiency anymore.
No, it's aggressively pursuing these specialized, rugged niches. Instead of pulling back, Jeep just proved that electrification can actually enhance extreme capability.
And that brings us to that rock mode you mentioned. That whole idea of precise two-pedal driving control over a really uneven trail.
It's a fundamental shift.
Yeah.
And it makes us ask a bigger question. If you can deliver instant, silent, and perfectly controlled electric torque exactly when and where you need it,
Does that just make navigating the hardest off-road conditions inherently easier and quieter?
Yeah.
Is it actually better than a traditional combustion engine?
is the future of extreme adventure vehicles silent and more controlled?